Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and dive with practical in this tutorial how to downgrade iOS without losing any data on any iPhone device where you have the install iOS 26.3 beta. Now you would like to roll backs without losing any data. Either it is an unsigned IPSW or signed IPSW. When we would like to install the signed IPSW on any iPhones, downgrade it, then without losing data, how it can be possible? Automatically it is recommending to a downgrade or not. We will check it out then. Of course, with the help of computer within a 5 to 10 minutes, of course, we will install it. And of course, unsigned IPSW, if you would like to slam the download and install. How would I do that? If you want for jailbreaking or if the planning store that unlocks any particular iPhones with the help of jailbreaks, then downgraded iOS is required to install on any iPhones. So right now, see here, if we tap on a slam setting, guys, let's tap on a setting 2 here, we will have to come in a general. So see, firstly we will come on a setting 2. Of course, we will have to come in a general, and in general we will have an option that software update. Click on it here. So it's a function that up to date. Here the first and foremost we will have to click to off automatic installation. So here both options, either it is a downloading and of course installation, both we will have to off. Then we will click on a beta versions and click on a developing to, of course, once again we will switch on a especially off mode, and upon here once again we will click on a here. Let's see now. So it's up to date, we cannot roll back. So let's open run as administration 3U tool, and upon we will go for connect your data cable from iPhone device to PC, and upon click on the refresh. So this phone has been especially now connected. Now here signed IPSW, that is especially, see here these all are a beta series. So I would like to come on a normal special iOS. So 18.5 has been recommended on particular this device. Either we can download and we can import. So here we would like to come with the especially import means if you have a downloaded from any others especially on the website this IPSW, then of course directly we can import, and then without losing any data we will go for installations. Then that condition, what will happen, guys, here we will have to come with the especially retain user data feature. So this retain user data feature we will approach it. Don't select the quick flash mode, otherwise in that condition you will lose your data. Anti-recovery flash mode, of course the data won't be recovered, so don't select it. And fixed flash means if iOS has been damaged or stuck on Apple logo, then we will approach. So retaining user data, we will come with especially iOS 18.5, but unsigned IPSW, how do you install? Yes, we will click on a especially firmware. So now see here, when we're tapping on a firmware, then lot of the firmware will be open here opportunity. So let's wait here. Now see here it's coming here. Now we can see this green signs, these all are signed IPSW. Of course, without losing any data directly we can download and install it. But further we would like to come, if you planning to add the jailbreaks or flash and jailbreaks, and then of course we will tap on it. Let's see. Now yes, we will click on all, and now yes, we will click on here once again refresh options, and yes, we will click on here. Now it comes especially, see here we will come on a especially if you would like to have jailbreaks, then yes we will come on here. Now jailbreaks especially we can come with especially 16.5.1 iOS directly we can download, and thereupon of course we need some changes, especially particular on any iPhones. How would I especially, let's see. Yes, here we will have to make it off, and thereupon see, after downloading this one, especially this is a green sign for jailbreaks, so we will have especially in this iPSW, and thereupon what we will do, yes, we will click on a toolbox. In toolbox there, click on a, yes, stop iOS update. When we will click on a, especially on this iOS is a 26, so it cannot be executed, but when we will be reached on a 18.5, then of course once again we will execute this thing, and what will happen, guys, here, yes, this will be especially executed. So first and foremost, we will have to come with this FaceLime the iOS 18.5 here, and thereupon of course we will download it, and thereupon we will execute it off this, stop this one, and thereupon we will come with this basically a little modification with the IPCC file, and thereupon so this will be completely installed. So yeah, firstly let me come with this FaceLime this version, that is especially 18.5. so where it is, this one we will come here to a download. So now see, guys, here it will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes to download it, and after downloading, then of course we will come with the especially this version to especially directly we will come on a especially easy flash options, easy flash 2. Of course we will pick this one, and thereupon here what we will do, guys, here selecting this one, we will hit this one, and this will be especially downgraded easily within especially 5 to 2 minutes. So 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So it has been started to a download, and 3% has been installed, but of course if we wait for complete installations, and then of course the video would be landed. So this is all about for with signed iPSW, and the unsigned iPSW I have already mentioned to you. 2 changes we will have to do, and thereupon of course this would be installed here. So this is all about without losing any data, of course, and we can come with the special similar strategy. For the any inquiry, and of course any confusions, then drop the query in the comments box. The pleasure would be mine to reply your query. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. This is all about in this tutorial, guys. Thank you.